Alright guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we are on the Aprilia Tuono V4 factory 1100 water bike. I've been waiting to ride this for ages now. Finally on this baby. Look how pretty this thing is. This one's got I believe a full exhaust. It's got a few other bits and pieces. It's got beautiful carbon huggers. Also carbon on the front, a few extra bits here, levers. But yeah, look at this bike. How pretty. Alright, let's get on and go for a spin. Alright, so first things first, comfort wise, beautiful. You know, really feels really comfy. Feels very different character than my my BMW, but yeah, really nice. Oh, heaps of power. Doesn't like being low down though. Super smooth on the quick shifter. Oh, buttery smooth. This engine is just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. That V4 soundtrack, I mean, you can't really beat it, to be totally honest with you. Yeah, I absolutely love this engine. Oh, that mirror's a bit funny. I think it's just really smooth, and yeah, just that sound is just intoxicating. The foot pegs are not too high, slightly leant over. Slightly little bit of weight on your wrist, but not too much at all. It's very nice. The dash, you know, not a massive fan of this dash, but I mean it has everything apart from a fuel gauge, which I believe on the new 2021 model they finally have put a fuel gauge on there. But other than that, it's yeah, I mean it's good. It's you know, shows everything you'd want. It's got heaps of different adjustability with modes. Obviously it's got race, track, sport. You can adjust the ABS. You know, it's got everything you'd ever need. So the fuel gauge isn't a deal breaker, I don't think. But yeah guys, how exciting is this? So we're down in Wollongong, just about an hour and a half south of Sydney. This one is at Moto City. It's they've got this, it's a used bike. I believe it's got 8,000, maybe a bit more. I think 8,000 Ks on this one. So I'm just, like I said, I'm in the market for a second bike, and you know, or even maybe trading this in for my my double R. Who knows? But yeah, I've just been itching to get on one of these. And as you know, if you've been following the channel, I rode the Street Fighter, so I can give you guys a bit of a comparison there, being two different V4s. You know, this has got an exhaust, but Aprilia, I don't know, their V4s just sound better to me. Every time I hear an Aprilia compared to the Street Fighter or the Panigale, I just yeah, it doesn't do it for me. This is just amazing. Handles really well. Oh, that quick shifter, that sound. Sorry if there's a bit of wind, guys. Oh. Beautiful bike, guys. So stable as well. The character of this, I mean, nothing beats it. Nothing beats it. Oh, and the fueling on this bike is just magic. The throttle is so smooth. Oh. Heaps of torque. I really am enjoying this. I think I'm enjoying this a bit too much, guys. And you know, everyone raves about this bike and how good it is, and really, it is that good. You know, coming from, I've ridden a lot of bikes now. Obviously, I haven't ridden any. This is my first Aprilia, and I'm super impressed. Oh, that sound is just so nice. Oh. Until you've ridden one of these, it's really hard to appreciate how good Aprilia have made this bike. You know, no wonder it's been so good for so many years that, you know, oh, that blipper is amazing. Oh, the handle, it's just, oh, like quick shifter. What a bike, guys. I'm in love with this bike already. I should never have ridden this bike. It is buttery smooth. Oh. Bit of a false neutral there. Brakes are a bit squeaky, but listen to that sound, guys. Amazing. I'm not a massive fan of these shorty levers. They're a bit short for me. That sound. Yes, this is such a good bike, guys. And it just feels so light as well, like really flickable, really smooth. Oh, it's just so nice. Fueling. Oh. Brakes are really good, really smooth. Alright guys, we'll turn around here. Go back. You know, it's funny, like this character of this bike is just that, like, accelerating descent, like that vicious, it's definitely more aggressive than the BMW. Like the BMW is just clinically, you know, smooth and fast, but this is just, you know, something else. This is just aggressive, in your face, basically the ultimate hooligan's bike. This is it. This is, and hands down, this is better than the Street Fighter. Hands down better than. Don't even look at the Street Fighter. Really, this is amazing. Don't get me wrong. The Street Fighter is a great bike, and you know, probably the looks of the Street Fighter is a little better. I like the looks of the Street Fighter over this. The new one, the new Aprilia Tuono, that's a different kettle altogether. That one looks really, really, really nice. The new Tuono, oh. But apparently we're not going to get them here in Australia until maybe end of the year, if not maybe next year. So that's no good. Oh! That quick shifter and blipper is amazing. So aggressive. This V4 just bags of character. I think I'd lose my license on this bike. It's purely that good. Sitting at speeds, you know, it doesn't feel, there's not too much wind actually. You probably can't hear me that well over the wind, and this exhaust is quite loud, but the wind seems, this little screen seems to do a good job of buffering that wind around you, that's for sure. For a naked bike, a lot better than the Speed Triple that I had, that's for sure. It's just effortless, like, oh, I can't even put into words how good this bike is. Like it's so smooth, it handles so well, it's you know, it doesn't move around like my suspension, or even on my Beamer, you know, you throw it in like this and it moves and jumps a little bit. You know, these Olins on this is just, oh, what a road bike. I'm gonna have to say this, and I don't want to say this, but this is the best road bike I have ever ridden. This is without a doubt the best road bike I have been on. What a bike, guys, what a bike. Woo! Oh, alright guys, coming up back to the dealership here. Sorry it couldn't be a bit longer, but I don't want to get too lost, to be honest. But yeah, I hope this has been, you know, I hope you enjoyed this review, guys. What a bike. If you haven't ridden one, I know I say this about a lot of bikes, but this baby is the best road bike you can buy. It's perfect. Like, you don't need any more power. There's heaps of torque. It's super smooth. Sounds amazing. This is it, guys. This is the ultimate. I don't think you can get much better than this. Maybe the new Tuono, but yeah, this is my god. Oh, I hope this sound comes across on camera. It's just ridiculous, guys, and ridiculous, guys, ridiculous. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Like always, I hope you'd enjoyed this as much as I have. Keep watching. Lots of new videos to come, lots of other reviews. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the videos. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks, guys.